Hello students, good morning students. Now it's time for your accounts class from your double entry bookkeeping. We started one chapter named Issue of Shares. And my today's topic is issue of shares at a premium. Previously I discussed with you number of topics. My today's topic issue of share at a premium. So first of all, what is the meaning of issue of shares? A company issues its shares at a premium when the price at which it sells the share is higher than their face value. Face value, original value. When your shares issued price higher as compared to original value. For example, New India Limited issued equity shares of ₹10 at a premium of ₹4 per share. So here selling price 4 plus 10 is equal to 14 and the original value is ₹10. So your par value as compared to your face value less. Amount of premium, selling price minus par value. So see one example also. Reliance Industries Limited, RIL itself valued firm at 375 per share, but unlisted market says it as 500. So here selling price 500, but the value, face value, original value 375. First of all, know about what is unlisted market. Share or any other securities that are not traded on any exchange but through the over the counter OTC, means no any stock exchange, no Bombay Stock Exchange, no National Stock Exchange, your shares listed only under the OTC. Your shares listed considered as unlisted market. Now what is OTC? OTC or off exchange trade is done directly between two parties without the supervision of any exchange. So no any supervision of any stock exchange. It is between two parties directly. So it is considered as OTC. Next term, bonus shares. The company issues bonus shares to its existing shareholder instead of paying dividend. So in case of dividend, while providing profit in the form of dividend, the company provide bonus shares to the existing shareholder due to shortage of funds. When funds are not available in the market, in the company, then the company issues bonus shares. These shares are given to the current shareholder. Current means existing shareholder in the company on the basis of existing holding in the company. Preliminary expenses. Preliminary expenses are those expenses which are incurred before the commencement of business. So before the commencement of business, like for starting a business, for example, incorporation expenses, legal expenses, logo expenses, file registration. How to show in the balance sheet. Number 1, how to show the security premium you received in the balance sheet. Number 1 head, equity and liabilities, under the head shareholder funds, and under the subhead reserves and surpluses. See what are the objectives of premium, security premium. Security premium reserve for issuing fully paid bonus shares to the shareholder. For issuing fully paid bonus shares, we use security premium reserve. For writing off preliminary expenses of the company. For purchase, buyback of own shares. When a company buy back its own share, then use of security premium reserve. For providing for the premium payable on the redemption of redeemable preference shares. When the company buy back its own preference share, then the money used, that is security premium reserve. So these all are the objectives. your page number 6.20 till 6.24, and the key terms covered under this topic is security premium reserve account, preliminary expenses, bonus shares, redemption, redeemable preference shares. Now see your book page number 6.20, issue of shares at a premium. Under this, see, for example, if a share of ₹10 is issued at 15, it is issue made at a premium. This security premium is ₹5. Like see here, your selling price 15 minus your par value 10 is equal to ₹5 your premium. The Company Act 2013 prescribed that where a company issues a premium, whether for cash or for other consideration other than cash, a sum total to the aggregate amount of premium on the share is transferred to security premium account or security premium reserve account. All the accumulated premium transferred to the security premium reserve account. And the nature of security premium is capital nature. Always remember this point. Now see the journal entries. So student, here your accounting entries for premium. Accounting entries for premium: number 1, entry on receipt of application money. Like suppose here you received ₹3 on application and ₹2 on premium. Total ₹5 you received. The first entry, same entry, what comes in? Cash comes in na? So bank account debit, what comes in? Bank account debited to with the help of share application account with the amount ₹5. With the total application money received including premium. Second entry on allotment of shares. When shares allotted, your application money transferred to share capital. Share application account debited to share capital account, normal entry. But when including premium, it means you show premium separately in separate account, and the account name is security premium reserve account. To security premium reserve account separately. So ₹3 here application money and ₹2 premium. And the entry, share application account debited to share capital account to security premium reserve account. Why here security premium reserve account credited? Because it is your gain. Credit all incomes and gains. Likewise, suppose the company issued the shares and the first call including premium. If including premium, then in this case, first entry, share first call account debited, due entry to share capital account, and with the due entry shows security premium reserve account. So here also security premium reserve account credited. In this way, in first call also security premium reserve account credited. Now see your sum, page number 6.112, sum number 9. Premium, security premium sum given to you. Soft Drilling Limited has authorized capital of 10 lakh divided into shares of 10 each. It offered 40,000 shares on following terms: ₹2 share on application, 5 on premium, 5 on your allotment including a premium of ₹2. This one is your premium case. ₹3 per share on first call and 2 per share on final call. Application were received for 60,000 shares. Applicants for 20,000 shares were sent letter of regret and the application money was refunded. All the application due on shares were duly received. Give the journal entries and prepare the balance sheet. So first of all, see how to pass the journal entries here. Understand the statement firstly properly. Page number 6.112, sum number 9. Issued shares 40,000, applied shares 60,000. Procedure for payment. Like here, issued 40,000, but public applied for 60, means more applied, and so the term is applicants for 20,000 extra shares were sent letter of regret and the application money was refunded, means rejected 20,000 and money refunded, because the total limit of the company to issue shares only 40,000. So 20,000 extra returned to the public. Procedure for application money rupees 2 per share. Allotment money rupees 5 including premium. It means your here allotment 5 minus 2 is equal to rupees 3, your allotment money. First call rupees 3, final call rupees 2. Face value, how to find out? 2, it is excluding premium. So first of all 2 application money, 3 not including premium, 3 only allotment money. First call 3 rupees, final call 2 rupees, total 10 face value. And the selling price when you added the premium amount. So here 2 including premium. So 10 plus 2, total selling price 12. Now see the solution. First journal entry. When application money received, bank account debited to share application account. You received the application for 60,000 shares. So 60,000 multiplied 2, your 1,20,000. Total amount 1,20,000. Being application money received on 60,000 shares at rupees 2 per share. Second entry, after application when allotted to the public and the money transferred to share capital account. So second entry, share application account debited to share capital account to bank. So here see 40,000 allotted, so that's why transfer to share capital account with the money. So 40,000 multiplied 2 rupees, 80,000 transfer to share capital account, and rejected 20,000 rejected, 20,000 multiplied 2 rejected, money refunded, application money refunded. So that's why to bank account. What goes out here, what comes in here, what goes out. So 40,000 out. Total share application 80 plus 40, 1,20,000. Being application money adjusted. Next entry, share allotment. See, allotment rupees 5 including premium of rupees 2. It means rupees 3 your allotment to your premium, total rupees 5 here, and your allotment rupees 3, because including premium of rupees 2. If including, it means it is included in rupees 5, otherwise your allotment money rupees 3 only. Now see, first entry, due entry of allotment, equity share allotment account debited to share capital account. Here if mentioned in your statement equity, then mention here equity, otherwise no need to mention equity. Share allotment account debited to share capital account. Now here added, so always you know that ki security premium credited your gain. Credit all incomes and gains. Your entry, share allotment account to share capital to security premium account. So share capital account only with the amount of allotment rupees 3. 40,000 allotted, now not 60,000 because 20,000 rejected. Now total issued 40,000 allotted. 40,000 multiplied 3, 1,20,000. Security premium reserve account 40,000 multiplied 2, 80,000. Total 1,20,000 plus 80,000, 2 lakh share allotment. Now being allotment due, now here is due word used, due, this one is your due entry, not yet received. Next one, fourth one, received bank account to share allotment account. Now here received amount of 2 lakh proper received. No need to show here separately security premium account. Here you are just receiving the amount. Being allotment money received including premium total 2 lakh. Now the next case is first call. Here no any premium, so simple call, due and then received. 2 calls here for first call. One is due, second is received. So here first of all, share first call due call, share first call account to share capital account. So here write share capital account. Okay, so here see first of all entry, your due entry, share first call account debited to share capital account, amount 40,000 allotted shares, rupees 3 first call, total 1,20,000, 1,20,000 your due entry. Now the next entry received, when you receive the first call, what comes in? Cash comes in, debit, what comes in? Bank account debited to share first call. Being first call money received on 40,000 allotted share and the per share rupees 3, 1,20,000, 1,20,000. Now first call over, due entry, received entry. Next, left final call. Final call of rupees 2, no including premium. Again final call, same criteria, due, received. Due, share final call account debited to share capital account, 40,000 allotted, multiply rupees to 80,000, 80,000. This one is your due. Now after this received, what comes in? Cash, bank account debited to share final call account with the same amount 80,000 you received. Now see the solution once again. Firstly, application money received, then transferred, allotment due, allotment received, first call due, first call received, second call due, second call received. Now your homework questions. What is meant by security premium reserve? Name the head under which security premium reserve will be appear in the balance sheet. State any 2 purposes for which security premium reserve utilized, and solve the sums 0 till 11 along with the related illustration, and also refers the links along with the school link for more better understanding.